So wonderful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a new Forex morning call. It's another trading day. It's Wednesday, September the 7th, and I'm really happy. It's me, Marcus from DowHow Trading. All links you want to see about my own story, about my homepage, education, whatever there is, you will find below on YouTube below this video, or directly on my homepage, DowHow-trading.com. I'm really happy if you join this homepage. I hope you have a great night and a wonderful start into your own trading day. We want to have a look at the charts, of course, and maybe talk about a little bit different things, what is necessary to become a successful trader. Let me say good morning here on Traders Yard. Marco, good morning. Christoph, nice to hear. Johan, good morning. And here on YouTube, lovely good morning. Thomas, Alexandro, Dori. Good morning, Dori. Mihai, thanks for your email. Thank you very much. Arel, Cayetano, good morning. Gerda, Yanis. Tomorrow is the great day. Maybe you got an email newsletter from me if you're on the list, because tomorrow is the great US event. Marcus goes to US tomorrow, 4 p.m. German time, which is 10 p.m. Eastern time in USA. There I have my own speech, 45 minutes, 55 minutes roundabout. How logic can turn or can change your trading forever. Kind of deeper insights about logical trading. The links you will find on my Facebook channel and Instagram channel. And if you have any interesting about this, then send me an email. Okay, so here we go. Let me just do this. Here we go. I can give you the link in case you are not in right now. Then here on YouTube, you'll find the link. It's free registration, by the way, completely free registration. Nothing there. You don't get any advertisement, just to join the session. So, general risk warning as always: trading with stocks and financial assets can expose your capital to substantial risks, possibly even beyond the capital you have invested. Trading is not suitable for everyone. Investment successes as well as profits from the past do not guarantee success in the future. Okay, let's see. What do we expect today? I think the only important appointment today is the Bank of Canada rate statement. It's the rate decision at 4 p.m. German time. Actually 2.5, and the consensus expectations are 75 pips higher, up to 3.25. This is the expectation for today. So be careful about the Canadian rate decision. It's interesting. Normally, if we analyze something like this, then we should say, okay, if they increase the rate, yeah, then the currency is much more worth. That means, okay, people, they are investing in Canadian dollar, they got more rate than if you invest in euro, for example, where you have 1% or 0.5%. Interesting, yesterday, if you check it from yesterday, Australian dollar also saw a rose to the upper side, but Australian dollar is going down. So they are selling Australian dollar. So you see, it does not help if you analyze any fundamental data. It's just an opinion. It's just a number. And then all traders have their own opinions and role models and something like this. And then they start to sell and to buy. So, and the price is going in that direction, where is the higher volume. So, and at the end, you can see, especially in Australian dollar, the trends are continuing to the lower side, or for especially Australian Japanese yen, it's going up higher. So the trend is continuing. So who cares about the numbers? This is what I want to teach you about analyzing all that stuff. It's just there to influence the market. That's the only point. It's interpretation. Thomas, wonderful. Good morning. Okay, let's come and see first where we are. And you see we have a change, because the point of control in DAX 15 minutes changed to the lower side. You see now the point of control is 12,664 euros by one future contract, against comparing with yesterday, where we were about 12,926. So around about 300 pips, 300 euros lower, which means, okay, we have to change here. And now we are still circling around a fair price. Yeah. So what's about the trend? Yeah, the trend is really simple. The uptrend is broken. And here you can see how trend following is working. Entry, trend arm number 2, or trend arm number 3. Yeah. And then you get out here in profit. Yeah. Or you took the money when you can see, okay, price not longer working. Then you took that money and then you're out. So now on the right side of the chart, we have a new downtrend. And here we go. There are the signals, because that's the correction. There are the balance candles, you see. So therefore, speculating that we will see a trend continuation to the lower side. Do you have to judge? Do you have to analyze? No, that's the rules. And as a private trader, which you have no influence to the next price, which only can happen with volume, you have to stick to the rules, because that's a mathematic game of math, which means you need a mathematic edge on the right edge of the chart. So do you have any rules? I hope so. Otherwise, you will lose money on the long run. And I take it, by the way. I'm completely free. I take your money if you don't listen to me. Okay, I have a quote of the day for you today. And the quote of the day is, no, it's not Michael Covell. It's from Richard Dickens. Charles Dickens, sorry, Charles Dickens. Let me fix this, please. That's wrong. Charles Dickens. Here we go. That's live. So, Charles Dickens, even a heavy door has only a small key to open it. I love this sentence. It's a really, really interesting thought, especially for trading. Even a heavy door has only a small key to open it. So trading, in my private opinion, is a really, really heavy door. It looks like easy. It looks like a small door you can open and jump in, because that is what advertising is making with you. Yeah, we come to trading about money, but we stay about the insights. So it looks like it's a really easy door. Just open an account, make your first trades, and then you are a trader. Follow this one, follow this strategy, do this and do this and do this. Yeah, it looks like. The longer you are involved in this trading business, the more you will see, and the more you realize, okay, it's not an easy door. It's a really, really heavy door, because it does not working so easy. The door is really heavy. You cannot open it so easy. But to be honest, it's just only a small key needed to open it. So what's the small key? It's your behavior. It's just you. You have the small key in your hand, literally in your hand, which means you need rules. You have to stick to the rules, and you have to trust the system. That's the small key. But if you don't use it, you will never open this heavy door, and you will never step into the real room of freedom. This will never happen. So it's just up to you if you use this small key or not. But trading is a really, really heavy door, but this key is really, really small, and it's just in you, this really small key. Yeah. Okay, so let's go back to the charts. Yeah. So is the downtrend starting from the last point too? No, it's not. And if you want to know, please take the course. So what's about the higher time frames? Yeah, actually, it looks like we will see a trend continuation. Yeah. By the way, you cannot expect, guys, that I open all my boxes in this free webinar. Yeah. That would be really unfair against all traders. They invest money in their education and they paid for the course. So don't expect that I explain everything here in trading. I guess sometimes I explain already too much, and you think you can get everything for free. Okay, try it. You will lose money on the long run, I promise you. But it's always up to you. You can do whatever you want, by the way. So in 4-hourly chart, still on the uptrend. And it looks like we see a trend continuation. The stop loss is above the last 0.3. Nothing to do. Dow Jones, yeah. Actually, new trend continuation. I trailed my stop loss into the profit. Everything is fine. I cannot lose money. And now let's see what's happened next. Bitcoin, lovely. Next trend arm, number 5. You see, now you can trail a stop to the next 0.3. How cool is this? That's your money you have saved. Trend following. By the way, trend drawing follows the path of logic. And if you don't check it, if you don't learn it, why is it like it is? You can see it here in my charts. Then you will make it wrong all the time, because there is a logic behind. Just to say. Gold chart, re-entry, or my first entry in trend number 3. Yeah, trailed my stop loss into profit. Let's see if you see a trend continuation. Yeah, your stop loss in case you open the trend or the trade in trend number 2 is actually just only in profit. Euro dollar. You see, I got out a second time because actually it's not a trend break, and actually it's not a trend continuation, but there's much pressure on euro for the moment. And British pound dollar, let's see, trend on number 6. That's really cool. So you see, if you work with the soft stop at the last 0.3, then you are still in. If not, then you are out. So how much money did you make with trend following? Yeah, in case you entered here and you got out here, around 400, around 500, 450, around 450 pips. That's a lot of money, guys, just with simple trend following. That's everything. Okay, do you mind to see CAD Swiss daily? It's here on my list. Yeah, just give me a couple of moments, then I will explain. So what's on my list? What's on running trades, by the way? Now I'm a bit in profit with Australian Swiss franc in daily chart. It looks like we see a trend continuation. Let's see, it's trend on number 2. Highest probability in trend on number 2. It does not matter which time frame. It's always the same probability. Euro pound, yeah. Now you have 2 choices about your trade management. You can leave your stop loss into the profit because your entry was here. Yes, or you can trail your stop if you want below this candle and take the money and speculating of a re-entry. It's just up to you. So I leave the stop loss here just in profit because if the price is going so low, then I can make a re-entry. Euro JPY, that's damn it cool. We're coming closer to the last point too. Yeah, and we are still aware that we are in a corrective downtrend also. But it looks, now you can see the perfect example why it's so important to follow every trend, because you will never know which trend will continue. Never, ever. So New Zealand CAD, I guess this will be a loser. And here you see again the same procedure, yeah, how important it is to follow every trend. So as you can see here, there was an entry here, or again in trend arm number 3 here, yeah. So, and then the stop loss for the short actually is here or was here in profit. And then there was a new entry necessary, by the way, and the new entry was there. Again, in trend arm number 4, because you got out every time. Or that was the next chance. You had this chance to enter the chart here, yeah, but then you are out all the time because the price is going back to the correction. So now, just in case you open the trend in, you open the trade in trend arm number 4, yeah, then your stop loss now should be in profit again. So every attempt, yeah, every shot leads not, or we're leading not to a loss. That's the point. Yeah, New Zealand's Kiwi JPY. Yeah, let's trail the stop loss into the profit. Price is close to the last point too, and I make the trade safe, by the way. And last one, dollar CAD. That's really cool. Yeah, let's see how the price is working. Stop is in profit. We cannot lose money. The next will be trend on number 5. Okay, let's come to my trading ideas for today or for this week. I guess Aussie JPY will lead to a trend continuation for long and will break this downtrend. Yeah, I guess we can delete the order for short. And here you can see the next point, yeah, how trend following is working. Yeah, your perfect entry, the perfect entry was anywhere here at this point. Yeah, and your current stop loss is here in profit. Yeah, and let's see if you see a trend continuation. We can trail the stop loss here, but actually it's here and it's deep in profit. Lovely, right? Australian CAD, we got out, waiting for a re-entry. Canadian Swiss, we have indeed 2 trends right now. And the first one is this one, the red one. Yeah, we are still waiting for a trend continuation. That was not a trend continuation. Therefore, I have a stop sell order here. But here on the right side of the chart, you will realize, okay, there it looks like a new trend. So maybe we should be prepared for a long also. So be careful with this. We have 2 trends right now. Euro Swiss, yes, a new trend, entry order. Euro Kiwi, also re-entry here on the way up. Pound JPY, also re-entry necessary, trend on number 2. Change of color yesterday. I have a pending order on the way up because with the last one I got out. Re-entry necessary. And pound Kiwi, yeah, just out at entry, no loss, waiting for a re-entry. And dollar Swiss, yeah, it looks like that the long trend will continue, and I'm waiting for a possible entry for a short in case we see the next trend, next balance candle. Yeah, sometimes it could be so quick. Nothing more to say. I don't want to waste your lifetime too much. That's all for the moment. And I hope you have learned something for yourself. If you have deeper questions, then just make an education wherever you will do it. But trading, you have to learn. Please be a part of the smart people that learn trading from the basics. Yeah. And don't try to catch everything for free. All people try to do this in trading. And you know, the numbers from month to month are always the same. 80 or 90% of all traders lose money on the long run. And if you think, I got so many free, I get so many information for free, I'm the Harry Potter of trading, I'm the Hermione Granger of trading, I can do this without education. Promise me, I did it for 7 years. It's not the money. You will waste much of your lifetime. And don't forget, you don't know when is your last day. You don't know. So don't waste precious lifetime. Okay, guys, thanks again. Thanks again for your attention. Have a beautiful day. Think about my words. I hope we see each other tomorrow again. And as always, have courage and be kind. And may the force of the logic be with you. See ya tomorrow.